The company which we are discussing today is ICICI Lombard General Insurance Company Limited. ICICI Lombard is the largest private sector general insurance company with approximately 8% market share in India today. The company started its operations in the year 2001 in joint venture with a Canadian firm, Fairfax. It got listed in September 2017 and its current market capitalization is 60,000 crore. It is a 52% subsidiary of ICICI Bank. Now let us understand what is general insurance. Basically, insurance are of two types, life and general insurance. In fact, general insurance is also termed as non-life insurance. So anything other than life gets covered under general insurance. Now, this is a relatively new concept in India. In fact, it has picked up in the last 15 to 20 years only since the sector was opened up for private participation. The most popular forms of general insurance in India today are motor, health, property, crop, and commercial insurance. The total size of this industry is 1900 billion rupees. And the sector has been growing in high teens for the last 2 decades. We believe that the best is yet to come for the sector and the growth rate will only accelerate from here, and the reasons are positive regulatory changes, high level of under-penetration across product categories, industry consolidation, and lastly, due to increasing awareness backed by rising disposable income. Can you think of any business where you pay upfront for a service which you may or may not avail during the year? Another big positive I find about general insurance sector is that there is practically zero risk of defaults because premiums are getting collected upfront. Today, a bank lends by leveraging its book and waits for the borrower to pay back EMIs on time. In the process, it is exposed to liquidity as well as default risk. Now, here is a business that is operating on customer money and has zero risk of defaults because, as I explained, premium is getting collected upfront. With such strong positives going for the sector, I don't think I have to give you any more reasons for investing in the general insurance sector. But you may think that if it is so easy, then why not everyone is able to do this business? Here I would just like to remind you of the entry barriers. It is a very difficult business to crack because of long gestation, retail orientation, strong risk assessment, and investment management capabilities that are required. So we can safely say that it is not everyone's cup of tea actually. Now let us look at the 6 reasons why we like ICICI Lombard within the general insurance space. 1, it is present in high growth and emerging sector. 2, it is the largest private sector player with 8% market share. 3, because of its retail franchise. 4, due to its flexible product mix. 5, and this is very, very important according to me, due to its proven capability of managing risk. And finally, rising ROE trend supported by profitable growth. ICICI Lombard is present in a high growth sector which has consistently grown at 16 to 17% for over last 2 decades. And as I have explained earlier, this growth rate will only accelerate from here. It is the largest private sector player within the general insurance space, where it has maintained its leadership since the year 2004. And not only at an aggregate level, but at each product level also, ICICI Lombard is a market leader. Company has established a very strong retail presence. General insurance is a retail oriented business where quality of customer service, reliability and reach plays a very important role in generating renewal income. ICICI Lombard has set up a very diverse distribution network, which we believe is very difficult to replicate at this stage. And I'm sure that everyone who's watching this video has heard of ICICI Bank. Insurance is about trust, and we believe its parentage is one of its biggest advantages. ICICI Lombard has further created a very flexible product mix. It is not overtly dependent on any one vertical for generating profits. And depending on the environment and the profitability profile, it is very, very flexible in changing its product mix in a year as well. The company has further demonstrated its capability of managing cost very effectively, as well as has a very prudent risk management strategy, which is visible in continuous decline in cost efficiency parameters, not only at aggregate level, but even at each product level also. The claim ratios have been coming down for the company. Further, its strength in managing investment risk is visible from the fact that it has delivered higher than industry investment yields without taking risky exposures, unlike many of its peers. And finally, ICICI Lombard has been reporting profitable growth year after year with an increasing ROE. Current ROE of the company is plus 21%. We believe that there is further scope for ROE expansion of this company. So now let us come to the main part of this presentation, which is sector opportunities exciting, company looks good, but return kitna banega? For that, let us look at what has been the price appreciation since listing for this company. As I explained, it got listed in September 2017. From its listing price of 684 rupees, the stock today trades at 1300 rupees. That means it has generated an absolute return of 88% and a CAGR return of 26% in less than 3 years, 2.7 years to be precise. And all of us must be aware that last 1 year has been very, very challenging for the entire BFSI space. And this company stands out even in this period by generating 16% returns in last 1 year. Company is currently trading at a price to book multiple of 9.7 times. We have assumed that the book value will continue to grow at 20 to 25%. Here we have not factored in any increase in demand because of rising penetration or increasing awareness about the general insurance products. So just by growing at the same rate as it has been growing in the past, and by applying the same multiple which it is currently getting, which is 9 to 10 times, we believe the stock can provide 2.5 to 3 times upside in the next 4 to 5 year time frame. So overall, we arrive at the long-term target price of, I'm rounding off the numbers here. The target price range we have is between 3,000 to 4,100 rupees, which is nearly 3 times returns from the current levels. In conclusion, I would like to sum up my presentation today, where we first looked at company background and that it is a 52% subsidiary of ICICI Bank. We then discussed what is covered under general insurance. Here we also looked at the key growth drivers for the industry and how the overall growth rate for the sector is expected to accelerate from the current run rate of 16 to 17%. We then looked at the top 6 reasons for investing in ICICI Lombard today. And finally, the return one can expect if one invests in ICICI Lombard from a 4 to 5 year perspective. So in conclusion, we can say that given the franchise strength, inherent business advantages, presence in high growth sector, and above all, its strong track record of profitable growth backed by healthy risk management makes ICICI Lombard an attractive investment opportunity for a value-seeking long-term investor. With that, I conclude my presentation. Thank you.